Good morning, everyone. Today our topic real numbers. Real numbers. Real numbers means union of rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers. Rational numbers plus irrational numbers. Union of rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers. Rational numbers plus irrational numbers, including rational numbers and irrational numbers, are called real numbers. First, this is natural numbers, set of natural numbers. It is denoted by n. N is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. All counting numbers are called natural numbers. This is whole numbers, including zero. Including zero, all natural numbers are called whole numbers. So, all natural numbers are whole numbers. N is subset W. Next, integers. Positive numbers, negative numbers, including zero, are called integers. The set of integers is denoted by Z. This is zero. Natural numbers are positive numbers and negative numbers. Minus infinite to minus 2, minus 1, 0 here. So, integers is equal to minus infinite to minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and so on up to infinite. Next, rational numbers. Next, rational numbers. It is denoted by Q. A rational number means which is in the form of P by Q. Rational number is equal to P by Q form, like 3 by 4, minus 1 by 2, 7 and all whole numbers subset integers, all integers subset rational numbers. Next, irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are denoted by Q complement. The number which are not rational is called irrational. Suppose irrational numbers root 2, root 3, pi, 1.243, 857 and so on. Such type of numbers are called irrational numbers. So union of rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers. These numbers are rational and irrational numbers are called real numbers. I repeat this one. First, natural numbers. All counting numbers are called natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on infinite. Next, whole numbers. All natural numbers including 0 are called whole numbers. The set of whole numbers denoted by W. The set of natural numbers denoted by N. Next, integers. Positive numbers, negative numbers including 0 are called integers. So Z is equal to minus infinite and so on, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and so on infinite. Next, rational numbers. The numbers which are in the form of P by Q are called rational numbers. Suppose minus 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 7. If 7 rational number means there is no denominator means 1. 7 means 7 by 1, which is also in the form of P by Q. Next, irrational numbers. The numbers which are not in the form of P by Q are called irrational numbers. The set of irrational numbers represented by Q complement. See here, all natural numbers are subset to whole numbers, all whole numbers subset to integers, all integers subset to rational numbers. These all rational numbers subset to real numbers, and at the same time all irrational numbers also subset to real numbers. So this is our class real numbers.